Hey everyone, Scott here with Lethbridge Toyota. If you're having a hard time setting up your heads-up display on your Toyota vehicle, this is the video for you. I'll show you right now, so stay tuned and check it out. So for this example, I'm using a 2026 Toyota Tundra Platinum Edition, but these instructions will apply to any Toyota with the heads-up display. Only difference you might notice is this one has the full LCD gauge cluster. Some of the Toyotas have the analog gauges for the RPM and speedometer, but still have the center LCD display. Main point is to show you to find your settings. So let's navigate to the settings to show you how to adjust everything. I do love my coworkers here, so I'm not going to put my foot on the brake. I'm just wanting to put this into accessory mode to illuminate the dash. So if you're outside, go ahead and start it. There we go. Oh, I'm already in settings right now. So you can see here, I'm using the arrows on the steering wheel. Your arrows may be over here, they may be over here, depending on the year, make, model. But I have my arrows, my OK and back menu button, and then I'm gonna toggle on and off some of my safety stuff to show you how that changes what's displayed up here. So let's check out the menu here. Just go around and change the menus until you can find the gear icon, which is the settings menu, and then go down until you find HUD main. You can use that to click OK to toggle on and off your heads-up display. You can see right there, off, on, off, on. You can hold OK to let you in the settings menu there. Heads-up display brightness and position. You can toggle left and right to change the brightness of it, and up and down to change the position depending on your height. So find a good comfortable place where you're going to be relaxed while driving, and then just adjust the height to where it works for you. HUD driving support. So there's a few extra things you can display with the heads-up display. In gauge settings, you can have eco indicator on or off. So I'll turn it off, and then I'll turn it on. That's just an aid to help you with your throttle response and change your driving habits to help be more fuel efficient. Navigation, if you don't want your turn-by-turn instructions showing up on the heads-up display, you can turn that off or leave it on. Lane and driving assist, that'll be your safety sense features, your adaptive cruise and lane departure. If you don't want any of those instruments displayed up there, go ahead and turn that off. But if it was on, let's turn that on, and let's zoom in up here. If I was to toggle on my lane assist, there's your lines for lane keep. And then if I turn on my adaptive cruise and then change the distance traveled to the vehicle in front of me with these bars, it'll show up there as well. So if that is too much for you, turn that off. Another thing you can display is a compass, on, off. Wow, when I zoom in, it really shows how shaky I am. Too much coffee. There we go, on, off. And audio controls, on, off. There you go, you see Sirius XM. You can change your stations, and whatever you change your station to, it will display up on your heads-up display. So it's up to you if that's too much or not. You can turn that on and off. Last thing that I can show you would be, you can rotate that a little bit. So for whatever reason, if you want that kind of more rotated, or if you find yourself that it is not properly level with your eye, go ahead and use the left and right arrows to play with that. So you can change the rotation of this display. Yeah, I hope that helps you guys. please comment down below. Give me some experiences you've had with heads-up display, if it's something that you find extremely helpful or useful, or if you've had experiences where it's distracting and it's actually put you in a bad spot. Should Toyota put this in more of their vehicles or even lower trim levels? Would you find that helpful? Put it down in the comment below, and subscribe to my channel. I'm posting a lot more. I'm making videos every day, so I'll just keep growing the channel. Hope to see you guys again, and thanks for watching.